In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your bills in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through where to find your bills, how to review what's due, and the key actions you can take to keep everything organized. Follow along in your own account if you'd like. First, head to the left panel and click Expenses, then open the Bills tab. This is your central hub for vendor bills. By default, QuickBooks shows you bills that are overdue or unpaid, so the most urgent items are front and center. Take a moment to scan the list so you know what needs attention, including due dates and amounts. If you want to review what's already settled, use the tabs at the top left to switch to paid bills. This is helpful for confirming that something has been taken care of or for referencing a previous payment without digging through other screens. When you're ready to act on a bill, look for the Schedule Payment button. Choose this if you plan to pay the bill through your normal process and want QuickBooks to track that upcoming payment. If the bill was already paid outside of QuickBooks, say by check or bank transfer, click the small caret next to Schedule Payment and select Mark as Paid. This logs a record of the payment so your books reflect the correct status and the bill no longer appears as outstanding. You can also edit a bill if details need updating, duplicate it to quickly create a similar bill for the same vendor, or delete it if it was entered by mistake. Use Edit when you need to correct dates, amounts, or descriptions. Duplicate is great for recurring expenses that aren't on a formal schedule. Delete should be reserved for true errors, so your records stay accurate. To add a new bill, click Add Bill at the top right. Enter the bill's key details, such as the vendor, the bill date, the due date, the amount, and the appropriate category or account. Include a clear description so anyone reviewing later understands what the charge is for. Double-check the dates and totals before you save to avoid late payments or duplicates. You can also create a bill from anywhere in QuickBooks using the New button at the top left. Select Bill there to start a new bill without navigating back to the Bills section. It's a quick shortcut when you're multitasking. That's all you need to manage bills efficiently in QuickBooks Online. Open Expenses, review the Bills tab, take action with Schedule Payment or Mark as Paid, edit when needed, and add new bills from the Add Bill button or the new menu. Keep this routine, and staying on top of due dates becomes simple.